Hello everyone and welcome to JP Creation, and in this lecture we are going to see what is Hotbox. So whenever you hold space in the scene, then you can see some option have been appeared. So these are called Hotbox, and in the Hotbox you can see some menus have been appeared which are same at the top here. In this way you can click on the menu, like if you want to go in file, then click on the file and you can see all the option whatever you are going to see by clicking on this file option. And these four lines indicate the poles, like this is the north pole, south pole, east pole and the west pole. So east, west, north and south, these are the four pole. And in every pole you can see different option. If I hold space and then come in the east side of the hotbox and then right click here, you can see some options like helpline, command line, time slider, range slider. And if you come bottom and then in the bottom in the south pole, if you again hold spacebar and right click, then you can see outliner, hypergraph, dope sheet. So in each of the pole you can see different option. This option are used to hide or unhide the object. Like if I hold again the space bar and then come in the east side and right click, I can hide the time slider if I don't want it, and then again hold space and then in the east again I will hold and hide the range slider. In this way you can hide panels that you don't want for a particular while. This hotbox option is also used to change the, like if you are in the perspective view and if you want to go in the side view, then you can just hold space, click on the Maya, and if you click on the Maya you can see all the views which are there. So if you want to go in the right view, just click and drag here, so you will come to the side view. Then if you want to go to the top view, then again hold space, then click on Maya, then from here you can select the top view. So again I will go to the perspective view in this way.